What is linear regression? How do we estimate the parameters of linear regression? And what is the residual sum of squares? In this video, we will try to understand those. Let's say we are given some real numbers that denote the heights of human beings, and the corresponding weights of those people are also given. The height is an independent variable here, and the weight is a dependent variable, and the weight is a function of height. In other words, y is equal to fx, where y denotes the weights and x denotes the heights. Now, we do not know what the function fx is, but we are given a set of heights and corresponding weights. So, using linear regression, we can figure out the relationship between the heights and weights. Let's say y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x, where beta 0 and beta 1 are two real numbers. So, here we assume the relationship between x and y is linear. Beta 0 is called the intercept of the line and beta 1 is called the slope of the line. But what are the values of beta 0 and beta 1? We can calculate it from the given heights or x and weights or y. Now, let's say we have calculated the values of beta 0 and beta 1, and for a given x, say xi, we get the corresponding calculated value of y, let's say yi. But let's say the actual value of y for the given xi is yai. So, there is a difference between the actual value of y and the calculated value of y. This difference is called the error. In other words, error ei is equal to yai minus yi for a given value of xi. And from this graph, we can see this error. The blue line represents the predicted values and the green points are the actual values. The red lines represent the errors. These errors are called residuals. So, as we can understand, the line for given sets of values of x and y should be such that this error is minimum. And we calculate beta 0 and beta 1 in such a way that this error is minimum. In fact, we calculate beta 0 and beta 1 in such a way that summation over ei square is minimum for all values of given x and y. So, if n points are given, then we calculate beta 0 and beta 1 in such a way that e1 square plus e2 square plus e3 square plus so on is minimum. This term summation over ei square is called the residual sum of squares or RSS. In other words, RSS is equal to e1 square plus e2 square plus e3 square plus so on for a given set of endpoints. And beta 0 and beta 1 are chosen in such a way that they minimize the residual sum of squares or RSS. After calculation, the values of beta 0 and beta 1 are as follows. Beta 1 is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar into xi minus y bar divided by summation from I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square, and beta 0 is equal to y bar minus beta 1 x bar. Please note that x bar is the mean value of x and y bar is the mean value of y. And this process of parameter estimation is called the least squares coefficient estimates method. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the playlist Statistics for Machine Learning. The relevant links are provided in the description. You may also want to subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.